Hello, friends. Today, in this video, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's learn about how to sign up in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's get into WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now, we need to choose our language and proceed. Now agree and continue. And we can allow or not allow the notifications. Now, your phone number here. Now click on Next. Now confirm your phone number and click on OK. Now, you can simply continue. Now, we'll get a code in SMS of 6 digits. Now, we can simply click on Continue. Allow or not allow the contacts. Now, you can type your name here. Now click on Next. So this is it. Now, you are in your WhatsApp app. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.